Right, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to the second part of the Pepe update today. So a lot of response, man. Such a thank you so much for that, for such a great response, right? So if you like this video, it's going to help to get to more people, and you have to subscribe to get daily updates on Pepe. I'm doing daily updates for the past maybe 6 7 months, okay, and I've actually have a very good track record with Pepe ever since we were probably even down here and we were pumping to the moon. So right now, we are sitting at 730, and my technical target has been met like a boss. Okay, I gave you a target some few days ago, and we actually did came up to that target. Now that Pepe has already climbed very, very, very high, can we take a break or continue? It's not necessarily true that just because you went up, you're gonna come down. We might just keep climbing because it's if it's in a bull run, then it's gonna keep on climbing to the moon. Now, there is one way that you can say that Pepe made this move to the upside and it made a flag. So let's actually see if this flag technical target was met. So from the top to the bottom, if you place it right there, you can see that that is where the target pretty much it actually goes up to. All right, so 8,000 pretty much to the target, right? So that bull flag has played. What about the second one? Okay, you have the second one right over there, and this one as well. If you actually talk about it, it broke from there to there, and you can see it also met. So there's no any other pattern that shows Pepe will move to the upside. Few days ago, I gave you an idea that if Pepe wants to make a new, all-time high, and then what I did is I went to the daily time frame, and I dropped in a fib retracement, and I showed you that from this place to that place to the bottom right there, this is actually going to be 1.618. So I was actually predicting 671, but we actually got overextended. If things are going to follow the fibs, then I think you might see 815 as the next target because you're now jumping up above 1.618. But if you end up coming down and close below 671, right, there could be chances of retracing to 594 as well, but I'm not very sure, to be honest with you. I may not say with certainty. Now let's actually check the smaller time frame to see what's going on. Is there any other pennant? Is there any other clue that we can get to see if Pepe is actually interested to continue to the upside, right? So let's actually check 15 minutes time frame as well. The lower time frame is actually going to be better. Now there could be a little bit of a scenario where you make this little bit of a double top and then try to go down like this, but that is still not very, very true because we saw it here as well. One, two, but kept climbing. One, two can actually continue to go to the upside as well. So what exactly can we do with Pepe and where can we go? Can we take the fib retracement again? Because right now it's so random that I don't even know what's going to happen. So on the smaller time frame, at least on the 15 minutes time frame, here's the next technical target, right? If you hold 1.618, which is 730, where you are right now, then Pepe can push to 811. And do you remember 811 is actually the 2 on the fib on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame that I showed you. Now do stay until the end of the video. I'm about to tell you one very important coin that if you miss Pepe, bonk and whatever, we may see that. So I think that's pretty much all for this Pepe update. Like 0.618, hold the 730. We have good chances to go to 811 at least, and that's going to be a move of nearly 11% further pump. Now it's actually possible that you can actually do that. So tell you what the next coin is, it's important to understand why do we take such decisions of taking the coin. There's something known as crypto accumulation, and I want you to listen to this very carefully. The accumulation phase is a term used in the financial markets, including the cryptocurrency market, to describe a period when investors start to buy or accumulating a particular asset when the prices are low. Okay, and I'm going to show you an example. For example, this right here is accumulation. So you have something like a Wyckoff pattern. where accumulation is going on. So you're going to have some preliminary support, selling climax, and whatever this is. I'm not going to dive into the technicals just yet. And Chainlink did something very similar, and we bought Chainlink at $5. It's not a secret. It's actually true. There's proof. Secondly, this is accumulation. This is how it looks. You can see down here you got accumulation, right over here. This is your accumulation right there. Your spring right over here, and then you break above, you break out, and you continue and continue and continue. As a matter of fact, we might actually see for an instance where we could actually see a reaccumulation for Pepe. Okay, Pepe can actually do reaccumulation where it actually pumped like this and make reaccumulation, just a sideways movement a little bit, and then continue to go to the upside, and then finally make one big correction after the sideways movement, right? So there is going to be a correction based on these patterns, right? So this is Pepe, and this is your accumulation, right? Pepe move to the upside, there could be chances of a sideways movement and then climb up, right? This is ICP. We had a very big accumulation down there. Here's your push to the upside, and this is your sideways movement. This is what I'm looking forward for Pepe, right? Just a sideways movement until you don't break and continue, if it makes sense. This is bonk, your accumulation, a break to the upside, a sideways movement, another push, a sideways movement, another push, right? This is Dogecoin, and we just broke above the accumulation zone. This is SHIB, and we just broke above the accumulation. The reason why I showed you all of these coins is because I bought when it was down in accumulation. There's one more coin that I bought last year, which looks something like this, right? Which has not moved. It's still in accumulation, waiting for that one big push. Do you want to get to know which coin it is? I'll tell you for absolutely free of cost. All you have to do is come down to the description of the video and click on the Discord to join. And once you join, go to the announcement, click on my name and message me, and that's all. I'm going to tell you the coin for free, but also make sure you like this video because it's going to help the channel grow even more for the Pepe videos for everyone. Actually, there was a condition where I told people to like the video, take a screenshot and send me, but I trust you that you will like the video. You don't need to prove anything to me. Even if you don't, man, I'm in a good mood to help you this time around. So all you have to do is, I guess, before you buy, maybe if you have $1,000, get 150, invest in it. If you have 500, get 70. Do not put all your money into that one coin. Okay, so that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.